she done me dirty, so I hit it. I'm still wishing you well, you know this like bringing litness. In my Libra scales, I'm weighing sins in my forgiveness. I'm so handsome, look at me, yeah. I'm a G, man, I want acting, G delete. I ain't got feelings, it's so deep. I grind so hard, I hate to sleep. Them niggas bro like Jesus, please. I was whipping our stuff to them fees, we bounce right back, turn up the streets.
Fuck what you're telling me, I don't like your energy. You be quick to doubt a nigga, I think that is jealousy. We done made the whole hood hot, now they remember we go against the code, my drillers leave you in a cemetery. I'ma get some lawyers, do whatever so my niggas home. I won't take it personal, just know I'm a little grown. I think I'm too paranoid, I can't bring no dealer home. When we step inside the club, no Lalo got the chrome.
Me and ours go back to back, diamonds on forever froze. Made a bag, ain't looking back, why the fuck we chasing hoes?
This the life we live, nigga, not the life we fucking chose. Buy my mama crib, nigga, you be spending shit on hoes, embarrassing.
Does she want me for my fame or for my riches? I don't know. In the past she done me dirty, so I hit it. I'm still wishing you well, you know this like bringing litness. In my Libra scales, I'm